Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Haroon and I am from Group C1. My roll number is 2021 DVM 082. Today I will be presenting a rare reproductive case which is ectopic pregnancy in dogs. This case highlights a unique reproductive abnormality in canines where a fertilized ovum implants outside the uterine cavity. So this presentation I will discuss the case history, clinical signs, diagnosis, findings, surgical management and the final outcome. Ectopic pregnancy is defined as the implantation of a fertilized ovum outside the normal uterine cavity. In simple words, it means that instead of developing inside the uterus, the embryo starts growing somewhere else, usually in abdominal cavity. Although this condition is relatively common in humans but quite rare in dogs. This particular case involved an adult female mixed breed dog presented to the veterinary clinic with complaint of abdominal distension and general weakness. The owner reported that the dog had not shown the usual signs of pregnancy such as uh, mammary gland development, but her abdomen had gradually enlarged over time. On clinical examination, the dog showed signs of abdominal enlargement and mild discomfort upon palpation. Other symptoms include anorexia, lethargy, and occasional vomiting. Interestingly, there were no signs of vaginal discharge or any indication of normal pregnancy, which made the condition quite confusing at first. During the physical examination, the veterinarian found a palpable mass in the abdomen. The mucous membrane were pink and moist, indicating good circulation, and vital parameters such as heart rate, temperature, and respiration were within normal limits. During diagnostic imaging, ultrasonography played a crucial role in this case. The ultrasound scan revealed the presence of fetus structure and membrane located near the uterus but outside the uterine horn. Hematology report revealed mild leukocytosis indicating a low-grade inflammatory response. A red blood cells count and hemoglobin level were within the normal range, which ruled out anemia or systemic infection. To confirm the diagnosis, an exploratory laparotomy was performed under general anesthesia. During surgery, the veterinarian discovered a single fetus along with its fetal membrane floating freely in the abdominal cavity. The uterus, however, appeared completely intact and healthy, which confirmed that the fetus has not developed inside it. Upon closer examination during the surgery, the fetus was found enclosed in its membrane eh, between the abdominal organ and uterine wall. The uterine body and horns showed no rupture or abnormality, supporting the diagnosis of secondary abdominal ectopic pregnancy. Based on ultrasound and surgical finding, the case was officially diagnosed as secondary abdominal ectopic pregnancy. There are generally two types of ectopic pregnancy. In primary ectopic pregnancy, where fertilization and implantation occur entirely outside the uterus, and secondary one is where the embryo initially implant in the uterus, but due to rupture of the uterus, escapes into the abdominal cavity. The case we are discussing today belongs to the secondary type. The mechanism behind the ectopic pregnancy is quite interesting. When a fertilized ovum escapes into abdominal cavity, it may attach itself to the organ such as omentum, mesentery, or peritoneal lining. Because these tissues have limited blood supply, the embryo development remain restricted, leading to the early fetal death or incomplete absorption. Treatment The treatment of ectopic pregnancy is always surgical. Laparotomy is performed to remove the fetus and associated membranes. After surgery, the dog is given antibiotics, fluid therapy, and pain management therapy. Generally, the prognosis is excellent when the condition is diagnosed and treated early. Future fertility is usually not affected unless the uterus is severely damaged. Early recognition, proper imaging, and timely surgical intervention can prevent serious complication and save the animal's life.